In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page from the left sidebar. Duplicating a page is a quick way to reuse a layout, preserve a version before making changes, or spin up a consistent section without starting from scratch. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need, keeping it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, move your attention to the left side of your screen. This is where most apps keep a sidebar or navigation panel listing your pages, sections, or files. Think of it as your project's table of contents. We'll be working directly from here because it provides the fastest way to target the page you want to copy. Next, go to the page you want to duplicate. Take a moment to scan the list and make sure you've identified the correct one. If your workspace has many pages, look carefully at the titles and icons so you don't accidentally copy the wrong item. It can help to remember the page's position in the list or any unique naming details that set it apart. Now click on that page. A single click is usually enough. This tells the app which page you're focused on, and in many tools, will also open it on the right so you can confirm it's the correct one. Seeing the content can be a helpful visual check before you proceed. With the correct page selected, right-click on it in the left sidebar. Right-clicking opens a small context menu that contains actions related to that specific page. If you're on a device that uses touch or a trackpad, use your standard gesture for bringing up the context menu. The key is that this menu appears tied to the page you chose, not somewhere else. In that context menu, click on Duplicate Page. The app will instantly create a copy of your selected page. You'll usually see the duplicate appear directly below or near the original in the left panel. The new page will have the same content and structure, which is exactly what you want when you're aiming for consistency or safeguarding your work before making edits. And that's it. You went to the left side, found your page, clicked it to confirm, right-click to open the context menu, and selected Duplicate Page. With that simple sequence, you've created a ready-to-use copy you can adapt as needed, all while keeping your original intact.